Hey everyone! Today I want to dive into the heart of Islam and explore its core foundations, the 5 pillars. These pillars are like the compass guiding a Muslim's life, providing structure and meaning. Let's break them down one by one. First up, we have Shahada, the declaration of faith. It's a simple yet profound statement. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. This is the cornerstone of a Muslim's belief. Next, Salat, the ritual prayer. Muslims pray 5 times a day, at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset, and night. It's not just about asking for things, it's about connecting with Allah, grounding oneself in faith, and finding peace in the busy world. Then, there's Zakat, or almsgiving. This is about giving back to the community, helping those in need, and purifying one's wealth. It's a beautiful reminder that we're all responsible for each other. Fourth, we have Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan. From dawn to sunset, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs. But it's more than just fasting. It's about self-discipline, empathy for the less fortunate, and spiritual growth. Lastly, Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. Every Muslim who is physically and financially able must make this journey at least once in their lifetime. It's a powerful symbol of unity, equality, and devotion. So, there you have it, the 5 pillars of Islam. They're not just rituals, but profound principles that shape a Muslim's life in every way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this brings you closer to understanding the beauty and depth of Islam. See you next time.